Hello guys, welcome to PC Drills, where you find help on how to handle your PC related issues. Today we are going to be seeing how to install Windows Server 2012 R2 data center on VMware. I have already my installer, my downloads folder, so I'm going to head over to VMware. On VMware, I click on create new virtual machine. I browse to the location of my installer. Here is my ISO file, Windows Server 2012. I double click and I select next. I don't have a product key, so I simply click on next. And for the password, they're optional. You can create a password for now, or you might skip. And even if you skip, you still have to create it later on, but I'll just click on next. Take yes. Here's a name that I've given to my virtual machine. But the location, I'm going to edit the location, but for you it's okay if you have enough space on your C drive for the virtual machine. I change the drive and I click on next, and I click on continue. For the amount of space, I'm going to put 30 gigabytes for this virtual machine, and I click on next with the option split virtual machine into multiple drives. Simply take next. Here I customize my hardware so that I can have a faster virtual machine. So I add the RAM to 2 gigabytes and I close, click on finish. After creating, it's going to power on a virtual machine to start the installation process. Now our installation process has started, so it's going to take a while depending on the specifications of your virtual machine, but normally it's gonna go over 30 minutes. So you just have to wait for the installation to complete, and we set up the basic needs for the machine to run. The installation process also installs us the .NET framework, and it's version 4.6.1 for this installer. Once on this screen, I simply click on begin installation. Now we are done with our installation. You can see the machine has started, so it's simply starting up its full services. Now it's starting up server manager, which is one of its main services that it runs on. So if you had to configure the virtual machine with this server manager dashboard, this is where you do all your configurations. You can add roles, and you can add other servers, create server groups, connect to clouds. Just depends on what you want to do at the moment. Here you can see the default name given to my Windows server, WinHead Cure DME 292. I can change it by simply clicking on it, and then I put the name I want for my own server. And with VMware tools, they simply help link your main machine to your servers such that some configurations are easily adapted to your virtual machine. So when you see these VMware tools, simply accept them to install if you are being prompted to. And to change your virtual machine name, you can input whatever you like in this box, and then you click apply, and you simply restart. After restarting, the name changes. So guys, that's all about this tutorial, and we hope it was helpful, and we wish that you like, subscribe, and recommend to others. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Maybe next time we'll see how to configure some of the services. Thank you.